Hello, today I'm going to show you how to operate a Garmin watch featuring Garmin Extend 2X Solar. So, as you can see, we have 5 buttons to operate the watch, and this is going to work on every Garmin, usually. So, here is the back set button, here is the GPS button, here is the ABC down button, menu up button and control light button. To go through the options, you just press up or down. As you can see, we have many options and you can customize it by going into the settings. To check the light, I need to as you can see, the control button, if you press it once, the background of the Garmin is going to light on. In the Garmin Extend 2X Solar and in the Instinct 2X, if you press the control light button 2 times, you are going to turn on the flashlight. To turn it off, you just do the same thing. To go to the menu, you just press menu up button for about 2 seconds or a second, and now you can navigate through the settings. To go into something, you just need to press the GPS button and find the thing that you want to find. If you press the GPS button, you are going to go into activities and you will need to choose what are you doing right now. If you hold the GPS button, you are going to turn on the GPS, and in a moment this is going to show me my accurate position with the coordinates. As you can see, I'm in the building, so it's not working very great right now. And if you want to go back in something, you just press set back button. If you hold it, this is going to show the alarms, timers, stopwatch, set time with the GPS and some alerts. And this is it. This is the pretty simple actions that you can do on a Garmin. I recommend really to set everything through the app. And this is it. If it helped, please hit subscribe and like. Bye.